A rally in support of people, many of them Iraqi immigrants, who have been detained by Immigration and Customs Enforcement outside the U.S. District Federal Courthouse in Detroit in August. Photo, Robin Buxton/Detroit News File. A hearing is scheduled Wednesday in federal court in Detroit on a case involving hundreds of Iraqi detainees who are being held across the county. About 1,400 Iraqi nationals were swept up in immigration raids last summer and sent to detention centers in Youngstown, Ohio, and other cities including Colorado and Arizona. The hearing is at 10 a.m. before U.S. District Judge Mark Goldsmith. 3 issues will be heard: the government's request to dismiss a lawsuit involving detentions, a motion by the detainees to certify the lawsuit as a class action, and a request for a preliminary injunction requiring the government to release detainees from custody under federal supervision, according to information released by the court. In late July, the judge temporarily halted deportation of hundreds of Iraqi nationals. The preliminary injunction covering 1,400, including about 200 detained in June, was intended to give them more time to seek legal protection from being deported to Iraq, the homeland many left when they were youngsters. Family members and supporters have demonstrated against the detentions, demanding that loved ones swept up by ICE be released. Relatives say detainees would face religious persecution and even death as Christians, a religious minority, by returning to Iraq. Some detainees have complained of being singled out by guards at the detention centers because they are Iraqi nationals. In documents filed with the federal court in August, some being held said guards in their detention centers referred to them with racial slurs, called them terrorists, and singled us Iraqis out for negative and racist treatment. They also said food and water were withheld. "We feel singled out," a detainee is quoted as saying in the court filing. "We don't feel safe." B. Williams at DetroitNews.com. 313-222-2027